it's Team Katrina here from the agency, and I have an exciting opportunity at 26 Granville Street, Emu Park. We have 3 luxury units being built starting in 2024, and it's a great location, Jess, isn't it?
Luxury, lifestyle and location. That is what this is all about. You can walk to the beach, watch the sunrise, then you can come in, go to the shops, come to the cafe. You can also stroll to the pub. Everything is just a stone's throw away. It's absolutely beautiful.
If you want information about these units about to be constructed, just give Team Katrina a call today.